Good evening. I'm Dr. Lizzie Thaliath, Convention Chair. I want to welcome all of you to Atlanta to the 42nd AKMG Annual Convention. Now, I would like to invite the Master of Ceremonies of this evening, Dr. Elizabeth George Sen.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you so much for being here tonight. We're so happy to have you in our wonderful city of Atlanta. I want to start this evening by first saying thank you to our Chandamelam participants and artists. They did a wonderful job. Can we get another round of applause for them? I'd now like to call the president of AKMG, Dr. Subramania Bhatt, on stage, please.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Atlanta and welcome to our 42nd annual convention. You got a small taste of what Atlanta can do. We are going to enjoy for the next 1.5 days. Our Atlanta team really worked hard to make it a very successful and memorable event. So please stay tuned and enjoy. Welcome, everybody. A great festivity is waiting for you. Thank you so much.
Dr. Bhatt will now invite our honorable guest on stage.
I'd like to take this opportunity to invite our chief guest for this evening, our Consulate General, Dr. Swati Kulkarni. Right. You could light the lamp first.
Thank you all so much. I would next like to invite Dr. Anu Bhatt, Dr. Lizzie Thaliath, Dr. Sheila Thomas, and Dr. Khalil Ashraf for the lamp lighting. Please join us on stage. Thank you all so much. I'd like to ask Dr. Subra Bhatt and Dr. Kulkarni to please remain on stage. Please have a seat here. We are now going to have our national anthems of both the United States and India. I invite Nevin Gregory and Shruti Sunil to please join us on stage. And I ask you all to please rise for the national anthem.
The twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watch were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the hope of the brave?
That was beautiful, Nevin. Thank you. I ask that you please remain standing for the National Anthem of India by Shruti.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you so much, Shruti. You may now all be seated. I would like to invite Dr. Subramania Bhatt to please come forward for the welcome address.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you all for coming this evening. It's going to be a wonderful event. Just want to wish you a very happy Onam, very happy Independence Day. We are going to celebrate 75 years of independence. It's going to be a remarkable year for us. Even though we had this COVID-19 pandemic, we are here, and congratulations for everybody for making it here. Thank you so much. And it's now honor and privilege to invite our chief guest for this evening, Dr. Swati Kulkarni. Dr. Swati Kulkarni is a household name in Atlanta and Georgia and neighboring states. She's a great leader, great unifier. I mean, she has really did a remarkable job in unifying Indians in Atlanta and in her jurisdiction. Prior coming to Atlanta, she has served in very high positions in several other countries. We are very glad that she is here with us in Atlanta. And I think she will be leaving us soon, which will be really very depressing for all of us. But she's a wonderful person. She's married to Mr. Vijay Kulakarni, who is a businessman. She also has two beautiful daughters who are pursuing medical careers. This is going to be a wonderful evening for all of us. So I want to thank for Dr. Kulakarni to coming here, and I invite Dr. Kulakarni to address as our chief guest for this evening. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Bhatt. This is a wonderful gathering. I must say, he must have done a lot of hard work to do all this. And of course, his family, they must have, and everybody, the team AKMG must have worked very, very hard. I can see that. So very good evening to all of you. I am very pleased to be here on the occasion of celebration of 42nd AKMG annual convention. When Dr. Bhatt was telling me that they will have this, I said, do it in Atlanta, it's much better. So don't go to California or other places, it's always good to have it here in Atlanta. So along with this annual convention, there are two momentous occasions which are, just 2 days apart. We have 75th Independence Day of India. It's a very momentous occasion for all of us, because it's an important landmark in our national calendar, 75th Independence Day. So Independence Day is an important day for all of us to reaffirm commitment to those all great men and women who fought for and sacrificed so much for the freedom that we are enjoying today. And it's also an occasion when we will take pride in impressive advances made by our beautiful country, from infrastructure to investment, from solar to skill development, frugal innovation to fintech. So today India is a very strong and vibrant, multicultural, secular democracy with dynamic economy, and it is full of talented people like you, creative, hardworking, and we have tremendous technological sets. So Independence Day is also an occasion where we take pride in impressive achievements made by our Indian American community, by our all Indian diaspora worldwide, and you have done so much good, and it has given such a good name for our country. So we are celebrating this Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav, what we call democratic festival. If we do a correct translation, then it's called Freedom Nectar Festival. So this is a Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav. So we are celebrating glorious history of progressive India. And I know that Onam is just on 21st of August. So it's one of the important harvest festivals in India. We celebrate it as a spirit of thanksgiving, which we pray for peace and prosperity. It's celebrated with so much fanfare in Kerala. I can see that good tradition here today, the glimpse of it. So much of nice feeling. All those ladies decked in such beautiful saris, looking so wonderful. It was so nice to see all this enthusiasm. So happy Onam to all of you in advance. Happy Independence Day. Of course, 15th August, all of you are invited to come. We are celebrating in City Springs, Sandy Hall at 6 o'clock in the evening. So please do come there. And I'm so happy that on these back-to-back occasions, you are also having this 42nd AKMG convention. And I know that you guys have done so much good work during this shadow of COVID pandemic. We call it shadow because it's still going on and on and on. We thought it will be over, but it's not. So you have been frontline workers. You have contributed immensely to the local community, local organizations, and they also appreciate your work. And that is the vibrant, vital human bond, and that is what helps us in India-US discourse. We had a very ferocious second wave because this COVID has really imposed unprecedented challenges on us. It has been a period of extraordinary shocks and stresses for us. But you guys, you worked so hard, you mobilized promptly all the resources. You helped us in giving COVID relief assistance back home to your near and dear ones. Not only our community, but also the US government, the captains of industry from Amazon to Boeing, they also helped. So we really appreciate, the government of India really appreciates the COVID relief assistance, which everybody has supported overwhelmingly in responding to this pandemic. In India, we are trying to cope up with the incoming Delta wave also, because the second wave abated, we coped well, and we are confident that we will take care of the third wave, the Delta variant also. So Government of India is trying very hard to have additional capacities and how to contain it. So we are vaccinating people. Vaccination is the mantra. We have vaccinated 500 million plus so far. And you will be surprised. One day, the record was we vaccinated 9 million people, single day. So that's the India we are talking about. And underpinning this India-US dialogue is the vast knowledge and research partnership shown by people like you, because you are the positive stories for this relationship. You must be aware of their one couple in Bharat Biotech. They are the ones who are, instrumental in giving the COVID vaccine for India, made in India vaccine. So you are the positive stories because of your superior skill set, because of your diligence, because of your innovation, creativity, spirit of entrepreneurship. So we feel that you are already partners in India's developmental march, because you all are aware, after IT revolution, we are already becoming knowledge economy and we are at the cusp of medical revolution. So you all are welcome to invest in India, come and become part of this revolution and take forward our developmental journey. This year, we will have series of events to commemorate this Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav, because our Prime Minister launched it on 12th of March, and we will have series of events. So all the Indian community organizations, they can utilize this period to showcase how India is marching ahead, what are our positive achievements so far, and please tell world how our country is a nice, open society and open economy. And that's what we will celebrate, what we call the glorious history. Again, I will repeat, the progressive India. So happy Independence Day, happy Onam, and I am sure you will have lots of deliberations, lots of brainstorming during these 1.5 days, where you will have lots of outcomes which will help in building on your past achievements. I wish you all happiness and success. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Kulkarni. I ask that Dr. Bhatt and Dr. Kulkarni please go to the center of the stage for presentation of shawl and plaque.
Rates presented to Dr. Swati Kulkarni in recognition of your dedication to AKMG from Dr. Subra Bhatt, President.